Yo, what up, y'all? It's Latrell. And today we got another one. This is a phone that I got on a stream, so shout out to the people who saw my stream. But yeah, so I got the ZTE Blade Vantage, and you guys said I should buy it, and I thought I'd go ahead and get it. So yeah, let's do it. So also, Tech Geek Josh, she also asked me to get this too, so pretty much everybody just wanted me to get this. So we're gonna do it. So on the front it says America's Best Network, no annual contract, Verizon, ZTE Blade Vantage, and then we got some specs at the bottom. We have a 5-inch display, 8-megapixel camera, 2500 mAh removable battery. On the side here we just got nothing there, just like our IMEI and all that. Here it says ZTE Blade Vantage. It has what's in the box. We have the phone color. So expandable memory says 16 gigs up to 256 gigs. The weight is 5.3 ounces. Speed is 1.1 gigahertz quad core processor. The battery again is 2500 mAh removable battery. We got Android, and on the other side here, the left side, we don't got nothing. At the top we don't got nothing, and at the bottom we don't got nothing. So let's just go ahead and open it. So we got our usual Verizon stuff right there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and just I think we gotta rip it from the back here. So we just do it like that, and of course it ripped. I expected that. I really can't stand these boxes, man. I really can't, because they always rip. All right, let's get into it now though. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just go ahead and just open this part up too. We're gonna go ahead and just slide it out, and that's the wrong way, of course it is. So there's the phone, there's all the accessories, nothing else is in the box. So yeah, first ZTE phone, let's see how it works. So if you didn't see the stream, I went to Family Dollar and I paid like $41 for this. So yeah, we're gonna see what's up with this. So we're gonna just take it out of here, and this is the ZTE phone. That's what it looks like in the back. We gonna put that to the side though real quick. We're gonna go ahead and get to this. So we got our charger brick, we got our micro USB cord, nothing new really. So we're gonna throw that to the side there. What else we got here? So usual books or whatever. Activate your phone, blah blah blah, and we got our battery. Probably gonna need that. And yeah, let's just show that all to the side right there. Let's get into the phone. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna peel this off real quick. So let's just listen to this. Yeah, so here's the phone. I mean, I think this is a used one though. Let's look at this real quick. You know what, you can't really see, but there is streak marks and all that there, so it looks like they tried to clean it. So yeah, I think it's used. Not really sure though, but yeah, it don't really matter to me anyway, so it is what it is. So we're gonna look around this real quick. So we got the ZTE logo on the front with the earpiece right there. We got a camera right there. We got our usual buttons. On the left side we don't got none. On the right side, that's where all our buttons are. We got volume rocker right here and a texture power button right there. At the top we don't got none. At the bottom we have our charger and our headphone jack. And on the back we got our Verizon logo, ZTE logo, camera, flash, and our speaker. And if I zoom in on that right there, we got a little dot right there because they think that's gonna help something. But yeah, let's just get into this. So we're gonna just go ahead and peel it off from here, even though I got nails. So yeah, we're gonna see how this work out. So yeah, there we go. I had to use the battery to open it. So yeah, that's how bad my nails are. They're not even there. So yeah, let's just look at this real quick. So we got our serial number and all that, IMEI. We could just block that out real quick, and that's what it looks like in the back. So we got our SIM card in there already, and our SD card slot, camera, blah blah blah, all that there. So let's just go ahead and put in the battery, throwing it in, and we're gonna go ahead and just turn this on real quick, and we get a vibration, I assume. Oh wait, I think the phone's dead. Okay, it's just flashing up there. So we do have a low LED light. Wait, hold on. There we go. There we go. I don't know what that was all about. Okay, so first impressions. Looking at the viewing angles, they're like not even there. They're non-existent. So yeah, viewing angles is trash. I'm like expecting that. And right now it's turned on, so I'll get back to you guys. Cool guys, we in business. So it was just initializing and all that right there. So now we got all this here. I'm gonna just hit don't activate, I guess. Exit activation, and I think I have to take out the SIM card. I'm not really sure. I'm gonna just go ahead and set up the Wi-Fi and all that there. So I'm gonna just go ahead and speed through this. Alright guys, we up in the phone, so let's go ahead and do this. So this is the ZTE Blade Vantage here by Verizon. So yeah, this is the Verizon prepaid one. And so far, I mean, I'm just using it right now. It seems fine. I'm not really all that impressed with it, but we're gonna have to use it more. So yeah guys, that was the unboxing. I'm just looking around this real quick. I'll have to get back to you what I think about the phone and all that there in a couple videos, something like that. Maybe I'll do some videos with this phone, like how to do something, I don't know. We'll see. Maybe I'll break it like that dude asked in the live stream. So yeah, that was it guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.